What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change out your sprinkler system control board. I changed mine out and this one is the old one, and the new one that I got is this one, and it is by ImoLaza, and it's the ImoLaza Ultra. It is Wi-Fi and it has a lot of really super cool features like Wi-Fi enabled, like I said, indoor outdoor mounts. So it does have a key in case you want to put it outside and you don't want people messing with it. You're able to lock the device. You got flexible programming, ET smart schedule, smart rain skip, smart saturation skip, smart cycle and soak, smart seasonal shift, local weather data accessible, which that one's really cool. So through the app and the Wi-Fi, it's able to see what the weather is going to be like around your area. And if you have rain and stuff like that going on, then it's not going to set off the schedule for the sprinkler system because there's no need. It's raining outside, right? It's got rain sensor compatible in case you also want to add a rain sensor, which I guess you don't really need one technically. Flow meter compatible, fault detection, surge protection, delay between zones, minimize water hammer, automatic water delay, master valve connection, pump start relay connection, water usage report, and smart alert and notification. So this is a badass system, and it's what I replaced my old X-Core with. And I'm going to show you guys how to replace your sprinkler system. It is very easy. It's really a plug and play. You're just going to unscrew your old screws. This is kind of assuming that you have a previous older system. Like this is just to replace your older system. You're usually going to have these screws right here, and there's going to be wires coming into them. You're just going to unscrew the wires. Unscrew the screws and then take the wires out. And then you can put in your wires into the ImoLaza, and it is pretty similar to most sprinkler system. It's very easy to install. You can take a picture of your old system just to make sure that you're putting in everything correctly. But other than that, it's really just plug and play. I did have some issues with my system, but it didn't have anything to do with the control board. It really just had to do with a solenoid went bad in my system. So I've definitely gotten acquainted with my system throughout the process of switching out my control board, and that's why I'm also making this video in case you're having issues switching out your control board and your system's not working. It's more than likely a solenoid issue. The solenoid went bad on my master valve. I didn't even know where my master valve was because it was hidden, because it has not been uncovered for a long time, and there was no water going to any of the zones. So whenever I tried to start the system, it would just flash red because there's no water going through it, and the solenoid on the master valve where the main water source goes through was bad, so it would not open whenever I wanted it to open through the system. So it took me a little bit to figure out, and I had to manually open the master valve. Once I found it, water went to each zone, and then it was able to open it with the solenoids that were already at those zones that were working, but the master valve solenoid was not working. That one's very easy to fix as well. You pretty much just unscrew the old solenoid and put in a new one. They're not very expensive either. But it took me a long time to figure out how my system worked, and I'm actually working with ImoLaza. They sent me a sprinkler system, which is this ImoLaza Ultra, and they have been very helpful throughout the process. Has had great communication with them, and I have been wanting to switch out my sprinkler system, so I guess I got lucky and got reached out by ImoLaza. So thank you, ImoLaza, for working with me and also being so patient with how long it's taken me to get my system running. It's taken months for me to figure out how my system works, but hopefully with this video you guys can do it quicker in case you have these issues. But it's really, you probably won't have any of these issues, but It's really a plug and play system. I've been wanting a Wi-Fi system, and a sprinkler system company came out, and I had a leak that they fixed, and they were trying to upsell me on a sprinkler system control board, and it was Wi-Fi one with an app just like this one, probably not even as good as this one, and they wanted to charge $1,200 to get their Wi-Fi system. And I'm glad I didn't go through with it. I was really thinking about it, but this is like 1/10 of the price of that system, and you're able to install it yourself, plug and play. Definitely recommend the system. It's made it a lot easier for me to be able to schedule my system. You are able to do it Wi-Fi, so you can technically control it from anywhere in the world. This one kind of sucked. I had to like set a schedule and then have to go all the way to run and have to switch between the zones, and sometimes it wouldn't work, and then whenever it turns off, everything resets, so you gotta restart your schedule system and all that. So very, very glad to have upgraded to this new system. Very easy to install. I just had a fluke where I did not know where my master valve was. I didn't know how my system operated, but I've definitely learned a lot about sprinkler systems throughout this process. And thank you to ImoLaza Ultra. If you guys are interested in this system, I'll put it down in the description below. They are selling their system on Amazon, so I mean, just try it out. You're not gonna be disappointed. You can always return it. Amazon has a great return policy if you don't like it, but I have a good feeling that you're gonna be very satisfied with the system. I know I am. They got different ones that handle many different zones. My zones, I only have like 3 zones at my house, so most people don't have that many zones. But you can buy one from, I think this one's like 8 zones all the way to 16 zones. So it just depends how big your system is. But definitely a very cool system. And thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was useful in case you want to change out your control sprinkler system, and maybe you already have one. This will still help you install that. And if you want the best system that I can recommend based on me messing with it, it comes with an app. The app's very easy to use and download. I definitely could not recommend the system enough. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.